Hello friends, today we are going to study problem number 3 on partial correlation coefficient. Already I have sent to you the PDF file of problem number 3 and along with solution. Now we are going to discuss in detail. The problem is problem number 3. If R12 is equal to 0.55, R13 is equal to 0.44 and R23 is equal to 0.66, then find R12.3, R13.2 and R23.1. Now calculate by using the formula. So calculation of partial correlation coefficients as below. First correlation coefficient or partial correlation coefficient is R12.3. R12.3 formula will be firstly R12 minus remaining 2 R13 and R23 divided by in first root 1 minus R square of 13, in another root 1 minus R square of 23, means after R12 remaining 2 means 13 and 23 you put respectively in these two under roots with square. Then second step, put the values, and the values are R12 is equal to 0.55, R13 is equal to 0.44 and R23 is equal to 0.66. These values we have just taken into account. Then divided by in first root 1 minus 0.44 square and in another root 1 minus 0.66 square. Next step, third step, multiplication and square. The multiplication of 0.44 and 0.66 will be 0.2904. Then square of 0.44 will be 0.1996 and the square of 0.66 is equal to 0.4356. After square and multiplication step, next step is that subtraction. The subtraction of 0.55 minus 0.2904 and the subtraction of it will be 0.2596. The subtraction of 1 minus 1.1996 is 0.80. The subtraction of 1 minus 0.4356 is 0.5644. After subtraction, next step, square root. The square root of 0.8 is and the square root of 0.5644 is already given here, 0.8946 and 0.7512. The next step, the multiplication of these two. So answer will be 0.6720. The last step, division of 0.2596 divided by 0.6720 is equal to 0.3863 is the answer of the partial correlation coefficient in between first and second variable by keeping third variable is to be constant. Answer is 0.3863. Now second partial correlation coefficient. The partial correlation coefficient in between first and third variable by keeping second variable is to be constant. So R13 is firstly, so put firstly R13, then remaining two R12 and R23, then divided by in first root 1 minus R square 12 and in another root 1 minus R square 23, means 1 2 and 2 3 remaining 2 you put into account except 1 3. Okay. Then second step, put the values in the formula, substitute the values in formula. The values are 0.44 minus 0.55 into 0.66 divided by in first root 1 minus 0.55 square, in another root 1 minus 0.66 square. Next step, the multiplication and square. So, the multiplication of 0.55 and 0.66 will be 0.363. The square of 0.55 will be 0.325. The square of 0.66 is will be 4356. After subtraction, next step is that after square, next step is that subtraction. Subtraction of 0.44 minus 0.363 will be 0.077, and the subtraction of 1 minus 0.3025 is equal to 0.6975. The subtraction of 1 minus 0.4356 will be 0.5644. Then square root of these two will be next step. The square root of 0.6975 is equal to 0.8351. The square root of 0.5644 is 0.7512. Then the multiplication of these two, the multiplication of 0.8351 into 0.7512 is equal to 0.6273. The last step, division, 0.077 divided by 0.6273 is equal to 0.1227 is the answer of bit number second R13 of 13.2, means the partial correlation coefficient in between first and third variable by keeping second variable to be constant, R13.2. Now third one is partial correlation coefficient in between second and third variable by keeping first variable is to be constant. The formula is R23 पहिल्यांदा आहे, म्हणून पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं, R23 मायनस उरलेले दोघे घ्यायचे, R12 आणि R13. इन फर्स्ट रूट हे R12 घ्यायचा खाली आणि इन सेकंड रूट R13 घ्यायचा न विसरता. हाऊ टू रिमाइंड द फॉर्म्युला, इट इज द की. So, the first step, put the formula. Second step, substitute the values in formula, and values are 0.66 minus 0.55 into 0.44. In division, in first root 1 minus 0.55 square, in another root 1 minus 0.44 square. Then next step, the multiplication and square. The multiplication of 0.55 into 0.44 will be 0.242. The square 0.55 is here 0.3025, and the square of 0.44 is 0.1996. After square and multiplication, the next step is that subtraction. The subtraction of 0.66 minus 0.242 will be 0.418. In division, in first root 1 minus 0.3025 is equal to 0.6975. In second root 1 minus 0.1996 is equal to 0.8004. The next step, after subtraction, just square root. The square root of the first 0.6975 is equal to 0.8351, and the square root of 0.8004 is equal to 0.8946. Next step, the multiplication of these two. The multiplication of 0.8351 into 0.8946 is equal to 7470. Now direct division of last says 0.418 divided by 0.7470. The answer is 0.5595 is the answer of the last bit, I mean R23 point but this is the partial correlation coefficient in between second and third variable by keeping first variable is to be constant. The answer is 0.5595 and over. Okay, thank you.